What should I be done? Tell them precisely. We did it. What did we do? Look on this. The Rhode Island Icon Award for our short movie, The Jamaican Poet, in the 48-hour film project. Providence, Rhode Island, Pawtucket, all over Rhode Island, representing to the fullest, and it's a great joy. Mel Rainsberger and the whole 48 film project team, maximum respect. To my kids, Naya Johnny, Sharon Rose, back in Jamaica, who participated. Peter Shiloh, Jennifer Wexler, my wife, Lori Kirkland. Tell them precisely, the journey continue, will never stop. Bliss, Solomon, Noah White, Tracy White, Let the State Big Voices, Let Arts R.I. Barbara Blake and a maximum respect, Elise Kelly maximum respect. All my poetic team. Team Great did it. Amaziyah the Great did it. Great Amazement Multimedia Entertainment, we did it. Representing to the fullest. You know, the journey continue. We never stop. I keep going and going like that. Night just about to go hard for a while. Now we'll never do nothing funny. Tell them precisely. Check out the Jamaican Poet movie. The trailer is on YouTube. Tell them precisely. The Palm Beach Jamaica Independence is amazing. Check that out too. Tell them precisely. The journey continue. We never stop.